In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can remove your email on TikTok. You can simply unlink your email address from your TikTok account in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your TikTok. On your profile page, tap on these three lines right here and head into your settings and privacy. On the settings page, tap on this first option of account. You will then have to select this option of user information. Tap on email. To unlink your email, you will have to click on unlink and your email address will automatically get removed from TikTok. Whenever your email is removed from TikTok, you will no longer log in, reset password, manage account security, or receive important notifications through your email address. That's how easy it is to remove your email address from your TikTok account. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.